Codex Laudianus, designated by It Shaw 08 Alpha 1001, called Laudianus after the former owner, Archbishop William Laud. It is a diglot Latin, Greek uncial manuscript of the New Testament, palaeographically assigned to the 6th century. It contains the Acts of the Apostles. Description: it is diglot manuscript with Greek and Latin in parallel columns on the same page, but Latin is in the left-hand column. The codex contains 227 parchment leaves of size 27 × 22 cm, with almost complete text of the Book of Acts. It is the earliest known manuscript which contained text of Acts chapter 8 verse 37. The text is written in 2 columns per page, 24 and more lines per page. It is arranged in very short lines of only 1 to 3 words each. The text is written columnatrically. Text: the Greek text of this codex exhibits a mixture of text types, usually the Byzantine, but there are many Western and some Alexandrian readings. According to Kurt Orland, it agrees with the Byzantine text type 36 times, and 21 times with the Byzantine when it has the same reading as the original text. It agrees 22 times with the original text against the Byzantine. It has 22 independent or distinctive readings. Orland placed it in category 2. It contains Acts chapter 8 verse 37 as to the manuscripts 323, 453, 945, 1739, 1891, 2818, and several others. In Acts chapter 12 verse 25, the Latin text of the Codex reads from Jerusalem to Antioch 429, 945, 1739, PSYRP, Copsigio. Majority reads epsilon iota of sigma iota epsilon rho omicron upsilon sigma alpha lambda eta mu. In Acts chapter 16 verse 10 it reads theta epsilon omicron sigma along with P74, Sinaiticus, Alexandrianus, Vaticanus, Ephremi, 044, 33, 81, 181, 326, 630, 945, 1739, REL, VG, Copbergio. Other reading Kappa Upsilon Rho Iota Omicron Sigma is supported by D. P. 049, 056, 0142, 88, 104, 330, 436, 451, 614, 629, 1241, 1505, 1877, 2127, 2412, 2492, 2495. BYZ, C, D, Gig, SYRP, H, COPSA. In Acts chapter 18 verse 26 it reads tau eta nu omicron delta omicron nu tau omicron upsilon kappa upsilon rho iota omicron upsilon along with manuscripts 1505, 2495, and lectionary 598. In Acts chapter 20 verse 28 it reads tau omicron upsilon kappa upsilon rho iota omicron upsilon along with the manuscripts Papyrus 74, C*, D, Sci. 33, 36, 453, 945, 1739, and 1891. History. It was probably written in Sardinia during the Byzantine occupation, and therefore after 534. It was written before 716, as it was used by Beda Venerabilis in his Expositio Actuum Apostolorum Retractata. It was brought to England probably by Theodore of Tarsus, Archbishop of Canterbury, in 668, or by Coilfrid, Abbot of Wearmouth and Jarrow, in the early part of the 8th century. It was probably deposited in one of the great monasteries in the north of England. It eventually came into the possession of William Laud, who donated to the Bodleian Library in Oxford in 1636, where it is located now. Thomas Hearne published its text in 1715, but not very exactly. Then Hansel in 1864, and Constantin von Tischendorf in 1870. The manuscript was examined by Johann Jacob Griesbach, Ropes, Moser, Poole, Clark, Lagrange, and Walther.